We're several weeks into the closure of schools due to COVID-19, and a group of students have logged on to the exchange platform to learn about the stock exchange. The virtual class is being taught by Stocky the Bull, and the children have lots of questions for Stocky. Let's check in with the class.
What is an investor?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
Anyone who puts their money into a business to gain more money from the business's success.
And what is a stock market?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
A stock market is the place where companies' stocks are bought and sold. It works like any other market, except that the items that are bought and sold are the stocks, also called shares, that belong to the companies that are in the stock market.
What is the stock exchange?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
A stock exchange is the main organization that manages the stock market and ensures that those who buy and sell in the market obey all the rules of the market. In Jamaica, for example, the local markets that we go to buy food are managed by the parish councils. In comparison, the stock market where we go to buy and sell stocks is managed by a stock exchange. Jamaica has one stock exchange, which is named the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
How many markets are managed by the stock exchange?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
There are 4 different markets: the main market, the junior market, the US dollar market, and the bond market. The main market was formed first, in 1968. These are the largest companies with the most value called assets. The junior market is made up of smaller and medium-sized companies. The US dollar market, as named, is made up of companies whose shares are available to be sold and bought in US dollars. The bond market allows investors to lend their money to companies that must be repaid as agreed by the company and the investors.
What is a share?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
A share, also called a stock, is a piece of paper, either physical or virtual, that you receive that shows that you own a part of a company. As an investor in a company, you are legally known as a shareholder or a stockholder. Each share or stock is worth a percentage of the company.
What is the difference between stocks and shares?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
Stocks and shares mean the same thing. You are free to use any of the terms. They both represent part ownership in a company.
And the person who owns stocks and shares is called?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
A shareholder or stockholder.
How do I buy stocks and shares?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
You need the assistance of a person who is a stockbroker.
Who is a stockbroker?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
The stockbroker assists the investor to buy and sell shares of a company in the stock market.
Why do we buy shares in companies?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
People buy shares in a company to make money. If the company does well, the price of the stock you own increases, and so you make money. Sometimes the stock price can go down if the stock is not doing as well.
When can I buy shares?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
You must first have money to buy shares. This may come from savings, earnings, or gifts.
How does the stock exchange help companies obey the rules?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
The companies must agree before they list that they will obey the rules of the stock exchange and provide evidence. For example, companies which list are required by law to be open and honest with the stock exchange. They must reveal anything important that could make the company's shares increase in price or fall in price, making investors richer or poorer. It is important and required by law that these financial reports are shared with investors to give investors correct information to enable them to decide if they want to keep, buy, or sell our company's shares to make more money or protect themselves from losses if the company's stock price falls.
What is a dividend?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
A sum of money paid to the shareholders by a company from its profit.
Why is there a bell ringing in the stock exchange?
Ask Stocky the Bull.
Stock exchanges around the world have a tradition to ring the bell, to signal to investors that the stock market is open to do business. The bell is also rung to signal the close of business. The Jamaica Stock Exchange also rings the bell to bring attention to events that are happening in the stock market and events that are seen as interesting and important.
Thank you, Stocky. The children now have their answers. Contact the Jamaica Stock Exchange for further information.